Alan Michael, I am local counsel. The five complaints that Mo just spoke of have been filed in Los Angeles Superior Court downtown. We have asked the court to consider these complex cases, and under California procedural rules, a complex case is usually removed to a separate courthouse where the judges don't have a large number of cases so much. They have smaller number of cases, but the cases tend to be complex. So we fully expect, actually the first step is that these cases will be deemed related. We will tell the court that the Gasper case is related to the Staples case, it's related to the Abraham case, and they will all be related and probably assigned to one judge, and that probably will be a judge in the complex unit of the Los Angeles Superior Court. Going to the question of timing, those of us who litigate in the complex courthouses know that one of the reasons they're in the complex courthouses, they don't meet the time standards that are set up for the everyday judge who takes all comers. They're given basically a guideline of let's try to get most cases handled within a year. The complex cases, almost by definition, are moved to the complex unit because that's going to be very difficult to do, either because of the number of defendants, number of plaintiffs, number of witnesses, the complexity. And then another issue that came up that's not specifically about these cases, but somebody asked the question earlier about what about the other cases. The courts do have, in California, the courts have the opportunity to, there are statutes that allow what is known as coordination. So if there are cases in another county, they can be coordinated, and if there are cases in Los Angeles County, they can be consolidated. This has to do with motions. Somebody goes to the judge and says, why do we have one judge who's handling these cases in the October 1 shooting? Let's put them all together. So all of that creates uncertainty. How do we know whether or not we're going to be five of the specific cases with what do we have, some almost 500 different people, with another group of counsel who have 17 or 1,700 or however many. So we just don't know how long that's going to take to get organized, but we know that it's going to take some months to get the complaints out and have everybody come in, and the court's going to say, okay, this is the population of cases. So it's hard to answer the question of how long.